Well, I'm getting the van loaded for farmer's market tomorrow. She's crowded too, boy. But this could mean only one thing. In this box we have 3 pounds of jumbo lump crab meat cooling off in the ice. Now you know what that means, right? That means that we're gonna have a little seafood feast tomorrow. One of Chris's grandkids has been in Ballhead at their home for a week. They live in New York. Their first time driving. They're driving back home from Ballhead tomorrow morning. They will arrive with us tomorrow afternoon sometime. And they like fish and seafood. So I got 5 pounds of 10-15 shrimp. I'm peeling them. And then I'm gonna put them in this pot and boil them for a very few seconds. I got 4 bottles of Yinglings. I told them to leave to get some cheap beer. I guess you don't understand cheap. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm about halfway done with the deveining of these nice big old shrimp. Big shrimp have a lot of crap in them. You have to devein them like this. Little shrimp, you normally eat all the crap. But the big shrimp, you have to take all the crap out. Here's what the crap looks like. Look at it. Pretty, ain't it? Don't taste bad though, when it's in the shrimp. I got like 15 or 20 more to go. I got the fire already, almost ready to put them in there. I'll get back to you. Okay. Well, I'm finished. Got the ice bath ready. There's all the guts. Pretty, huh? And the fire is heating up with the beer. I like it. Stand by. They're almost ready to come out of the fire. Shrimpies. I like them. Stand by, I gotta test a couple of them. Headed to the refrigerator until tomorrow evening. Well, horseradish, tomato ketchup, lemon, Worcestershire sauce, make the cocktail sauce. We're making cocktail sauce. It's 5:52 on Saturday. Our seafood guests are driving up. They're about an hour and a half away. So we have adequate time. We haven't made the crab cakes yet. Chris has made the coleslaw. I wasn't here when you did that. We had a great knife day. We missed a ripper by 1. Other than that, it was okay. Cool breeze, wasn't too hot. Let me test this and I can get back to you. Toasted some bread. We're gonna grind it up for a filler for the crab cakes, to hold the crab cakes together. We got some rolls from the Holy Roller Bakery this morning at the farmer's market. Breathtaking, to say the least. And the firecracker is right here. The grasshopper is right there. And I guess the cats are hanging around waiting for their supper. They may have already eaten. Let's see if we can find them. Nope, they're not around. Okay. We're getting ready. We got some carrots going in the oven. Got some snacks for the boys when they get here. In about a half hour. And making the crab cake mix as we go. There's the stuff that goes in it. Nobody break those already.
I think he might be worse.
He's like barking. I don't see his dog move unless there's food in front of him.
Oh, wow.
In which case I'll sprint.
No, he also just at dinner he'll start barking. You know, he'll like jump on you.
That's all left.
You know, he's a problem child. Yeah. And then he starts pouting, so he goes away for like 10 minutes, and then he comes back and tries again.
Oh.
Yeah, it's an better than being over. No, I'm confident.
No, not gonna stay behind you.
Sits here, I sit there. Amy sits there when she's home. That's her spot.
Yes, I am. This looks amazing.
How dare you stealing your spot?